If you hear music, it's because I'm playing Digimon in the back. You never realize how freaking sharp these are until potato, okay? Potato. When I couldn't find my knife and I said, well, I'm gonna cook myself some potatoes on the thingy here. And I just got this and I was like, I mean, this is why these ones are dangerous and you should take care of them. Well, what the hell is better than most kitchen knives? Like, see? Clean. What the hell? Oh. Yeah. When you are doing cosplay, be careful with this. You don't want to have your fingers sliced like that, right?